everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a combination and we are going to break it down, we are going to take it slow and we are going to practice it on multiple speeds. So today I have my beautiful student Akshika and today we are going to take this combination down. What are your thoughts today?
I'm excited for learning and we will be practicing this on different metronomes. I'm
yes,
excited.
definitely. Yes.
So-
And feel free to share wherever you think के कोई भी इंसान अटक सकता है, because we all are in this together and we just want that the practice is smooth. Okay, so without much delay, let's get started. So we are having two parts to this combination. The first part involves a lot of arm movements, so let's break that down. So this is your position 0, okay, and you are going to from here go 1 and then 2. Make sense? So you are going to go down and then hold your right bicep up and left hand in a stop position, right? So you're going to go at point 0, you're here and you go down 2, and from here the arm that is up is going to go as a stop and the other one will as if you're holding a plate, and then you're going to switch this. Now your right arm is up, which is my audience arm, the one towards the camera, and now the right arm that's up is going to go down like this. And from here, now imagine there is a big ball and you're going to trace it inwards. And from here, you will make this L arm. And after that, in both your arms, you're going to do a wave. After this, you are going to go a little bit to your right side, you'll tilt, and then you open, and then you hold those two plates again, close. Make sure that you shift your weight to the right leg and you lift your left, tiny little step you're going to take, and you're going to go 1. Now you're on your left leg and your right leg is behind you, and you're going to now lift that right leg in a sharp accent. And from here, you're going to come back here, your position 0, so that you can restart. From here, you can now go face the audience. Let's try this. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and tilt. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So this was the first part which involves your arms. एक और बार हम practice करते हैं. Position 0, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you are doing after this 1, 2, 3, 4, make sure that you don't go down with your elbows. When you're here and you've closed this dhakkan, you are going to go 1. It's like you are carving under your face. Okay, make sure that you are from here after you've closed this lid, you are not going down with the elbows. You go 1 and 2 and up. Okay, and from here you're going to go, so you twist your hip a bit, 1, and then come back forward. Now this was your arms. Now we are going to layer it with Hagala, and it is going to come with a little bit of things to remember. So your Hagala needs to be very relaxed. It will almost look like your choo-choo shimmy, right? So you are going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So you are going to make it look like a little swing. So because it's going to have that swing so visibly there, it might look like a 3x4 shimmy, which is
Gawazi?
Yes, it's a Gawazi shimmy, because Gawazi shimmy wants you to swing. So what we are doing may look like Gavazi also. If you think that Gavazi is the route you want to go, please go ahead and do your Gavazi. If you think that you want to learn it like swing and Hagala, then do that. So without any arms, let's just practice the combination of the shimmy that we are going to layer with this. So we are going to go right, left. Make sense? So now see, only 2 steps. We are here. We are going to go 1, 2. Make sense? Now again, right side shimmy. 3, 4. तो क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? Right किया, left किया, फिर right किया, left किया. Simple? So we are here. We did 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And right side 5 and 6, 7, 8. After this, you are going to again do your shimmy to the right side. With the right side tilt, you are going to go 1 and 2 left, 3. And now this time I want you to not transfer weight on 4. You have to just tap and then again lift your left. When we do the combination on this side, what has to be remembered is you are going to go right, left, right. If you do completely transfer left, then you will lift your right leg. We don't want that. What are we doing in the combination? We're doing right, left tap, left lift. This is important to be remembered. We are going to do this from the top very slowly with your layered shimmy. If you feel you should do choo-choo, you do your choo-choo shimmy. If you feel Hagala is what you want to do, you do that. If you feel Gavazi is what you want to do that. So let's just see this as a shimmy section. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, samne 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and tap and 5, 6. Now you are going to go 7 and 8. In 7 and 8, you are not doing any shimmy.
Okay.
Yeah? Let's try this very slowly. Again, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we are doing Hagala, we are going to go in the second half of the combination. We are going to go right, left, right, and now we are on left oriental. Left is the legs in front. And you are going to go drop and shimmy, and then you will transfer the weight with the shimmy. Okay, so let's practice this second half. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start with a humble 50 BPM. Now that we have a little bit of clarity with 50 BPM, let's now try 70 BPM. Let's go forward and try 90 ppm.
I feel शायद हगाला के बजाय I'm doing slide.
She's absolutely right. See, the thing is, isolations का size speed जब बढ़ती है तो कम होता है. तो she is absolutely valid in feeling कि जब speed तेज होती है तो she feels like कि मैं सिर्फ slide कर रही हूँ. We want कि we are trying to layer something in the hip. That's it. Even if it's like just a slide, we just want a groove going on and taking us through this. Even if you want, you can simply walk and give yourself a little bounce while doing this. It's all up to you. You try that when you feel that the slide is happening, you try and give it a little bit of a vibration. Simply that. So what will happen if you are going to focus on the vibration and the shimmy is that the step size, the stride size will reduce, which is absolutely what we want. We want to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. You just try and go very, very small. So without much delay now, let's go forward and try 120 BPM. We did it! Yes, we did it! So now comes the very daunting 150 BPM, but we are happy to try it and we are happy to even fail at it. It's absolutely okay if you miss a few details, but don't shy away from challenging yourself. Let's gather all our focus. Take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's try it. Aram se ekdam. Let's do this one thing, Akshika. Let's not go directly into it after 8. Let 16 beats happen so that it sinks into us. So now, थोड़ा बहुत जब हमने पढ़ाई कर ली है, let's now go ahead and try it with some music. And now we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want the videos to keep coming, do like, share and subscribe. And it was wonderful for us to perform with you and dance with you and practice with you.
Yeah, this was a nice combination. I loved practicing. I loved the learning session. Keep practicing and bye-bye.
We'll see you next time. I am so proud of you.
Thank you.
We practice together and it's like time passes by और हमें पता नहीं चलता है. So I'm gonna come back again and until next time, bye.